Imagine going from zero, no idea, no outline, no draft, to a fully published book on Amazon KDP in 24 hours. Sounds crazy, right? But with the tools we have today, it's absolutely possible. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to publish your very first book in a single day using AI with free editing tools and Amazon KDP. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank page to a live book on sale worldwide. The very first step is finding a strong idea. I go into ChatGPT and I type something like, give me 10 trending nonfiction book ideas for beginners in personal finance, productivity, and health. Within seconds, you've got a list of ideas. Pick one that excites you and has a clear benefit for the reader. For this demo, let's say we choose the 24-hour productivity reset. Next, we generate a complete outline. Prompt ChatGPT like this. Create a 10-chapter outline for a nonfiction book titled The 24-Hour Productivity Reset. Each chapter should include 3 to 4 subsections with practical examples. Now you've got a full roadmap, titles, sections, and flow. This is the skeleton of your book. This is where most people get overwhelmed. They think they have to write 30,000 words all at once. But the trick is break it down section by section. Instead of asking AI to write a whole chapter, you guide it through smaller prompts. For example, write 600 words for the section in chapter 2 about eliminating distractions. Include one scientific study and a real-world routine example. This keeps the quality high and makes the book feel professional. And now here's what that looks like. A clean, focused section that you can drop straight into your draft. Now repeat this process section by section, and in just a few hours, you can generate a full manuscript. Once your draft is complete, it needs polishing. This is where Grammarly comes in. Drop each section in and let it fix your grammar, readability, and clarity. Now the goal here isn't perfection. It's to make sure your book feels professional and smooth. You can always refine it later, but in a 24-hour sprint, this step gets you 90% of the way there. Next up is the cover. You don't need to hire a designer. Go to Canva, choose a book cover template, and customize it. Add your title, subtitle, and author name. Now, if you want to level this up, you can generate cinematic artwork with AI and then just drop it into Canva for your finishing touches. Remember, your cover is your first impression. Even with free tools, you can make something that looks professional in under 1 hour. Now comes the exciting part, publishing. Head to kdp.amazon.com, log in, and click create. You'll enter your title, subtitle, and description, upload your manuscript file, and then upload your cover. Amazon will walk you through pricing, and once you hit publish, your book goes live within 72 hours. So there you have it, the step-by-step way to go from zero to a published book in just 24 hours. We started with an idea, built a full outline, drafted section by section with AI, polished it with Grammarly, designed a cover in Canva, and uploaded everything to Amazon KDP. Now here's the important part. This is just the beginning. Your first book builds momentum, but the real opportunity is learning how to scale this into multiple books and multiple income streams. That's exactly what I teach in my complete course. The exact prompts, formatting strategies, cover design workflows, and scaling system I use to turn one book into 15 plus income streams. The link is below if you're ready to go deeper. Don't wait months or years to publish. If you start today, you can have your first book live by tomorrow. I don't care what anyone says. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys on the next one.